welcome back to Eat Well with Lisha. Today I am showing you how to make air fryer tofu. Air fried tofu is pretty much a staple recipe for me. I make it almost every day. So I was like, let me get on here and show y'all how to do it. That's all I'm doing today. It's gonna be quick, but I thought it would be good because a lot of people don't know what to do with tofu. So here's an idea. It's not just a squishy mess. You can make it taste delicious. And the good thing about tofu is that it absorbs whatever you put on it. So it's very versatile and a good source of plant-based protein. Let's get into it.